Hello everyone, today I will show you how to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, and here's how it is done. First, log in to your ChatGPT account, which will bring you to this page. Then go to the bottom left corner where it says Upgrade to Plus. You will see that you are currently on the free plan. To upgrade, simply click on Upgrade Plan. This will take you to the subscription page where you will need to enter your email, payment details, and billing address. Once you have filled in the necessary information, make sure to check the box agreeing to the terms of use. Then click subscribe. It may take a few moments to process, and you should eventually see a confirmation screen that your payment was received and you have been upgraded to ChatGPT Plus. After that, click continue and you will see that your plan now shows ChatGPT Plus. You will also have the option to switch from the default model ChatGPT 3.5 to GPT-4, the latest and more advanced version. Select GPT-4 and you are all set to use the new model for your responses. That is everything you need to know about how to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.